Your horn blows, how about your wife? Oh, hey guys, RaceCarRichie here. That guy was a jerk. So anyway, I'm headed over to Brian's house right now. We're gonna install the rear diff. He just got a brand new Evo upgraded rear diff for his Eclipse. And we're also installing like 1,000 horsepower axles in the rear. So he did spend a pretty penny on this setup. So we're gonna go ahead and get those axles put in. I think he already did the rear diff. I was supposed to go the other day and I was a little busy, but I'm gonna help him finish it up today so you guys can check it out. So stick around, enjoy the video. RaceCarRichie. New diff, new axles, all the way across. New wheel studs. Lucky number 777.
Yep.
So it's gonna do wheelies. Right now we're hooking up the drive shaft loop. Hook, right? Drive shaft loop?
Yep.
Yeah. So on this side, the bolt for the lower control arm had to be removed to put the axle in. And the bolt comes out this way, which is like what you said, a 6-inch bolt?
Yep.
Yeah, so he had to cut the head off, or he had to cut the bolt like in 2 places just to get it to come out. And then we're gonna see if we can feed another bolt in from this way, straight through. And then this side's good, right? Yeah, this side came right out. And then we have to pop the axles in. They're just a really tight fit, so we're gonna pop those in. And then what else? I think that's it, right? Just got the axles in?
That's it.
That's it. And then this other stuff is goodies. There's our sweet muffler. So where's the other bolt?
I have it in my hand.
Oh, guys, grease. Put some grease on it.
Yeah.
Lube it up. He's got the sauce. Honda. Okay. Where is the impact gun? So let me get the ratchet for the top bolt. Because the top one does have a little bit. And I don't think I have the thread for this, to be honest. Yeah, so the top one started. Yeah. So they're a little rusty inside, so we're just gonna send it. Those are tight. Ain't going nowhere. Bam. Pop the axle in. So if we take that off, that might help with a little bit of room.
There's not much play with this cable attached.
Alright, so just keep an eye out.
Oh my god, the whole car's moving on me.
Sounds like it's in.
Yeah.
Have a decent sized mallet.
Rubber or metal?
Metal, like one of the big ones like what I have. Yeah.
Let me put the jack stand. The jack underneath the diff. The whole fucking car is moving.
I know, I saw it. Well, it can only fall once, right?
Alright.
Nothing?
I think just pull it back out, whatever you put in.
Alright. So does that cup move? Can you move that cup, or like move it around, or like pull it out?
I can pull it out. It's tight, bud. You want to take it out all the way?
I just want to like. Did you put grease or anything on it?
Put grease on this.
On the threads?
Yeah.
Okay.
On the spline.
Maybe like. All right, let me see. So you come over here.
Yeah.
And we're not going to beat the shit out of this thing. We're not going to force it in. So Basically what you have to do is hold this inwards.
Yeah.
So it's like all the way like that, and then you tap it in. So it really shouldn't take that much, but those C-clips are brand new. All right, you guys are coming with me now. Let's see what we got working with. Okay. Yeah, maybe we should take it out. All right, we're gonna take this out. All right, so we've come to the conclusion. This is how far it's supposed to sit in, just because these are performance axles, because the other side's exactly the same. And we've tried to beat them in and they're not going. But when we initially put them in, there's like a certain stop point, and then you could feel it jump in, which is that C-ring on the end of the axles. And if you know, and you've done axles before, you know that there's always that pop where it just kind of pops right in. And you know, this is an aftermarket diff, or it's an Evo diff, and these are aftermarket, what, 1,000 horsepower axles or something? Yeah, he's gonna be doing wheelies. So these diffs are actually good for, what do you say, 8 seconds? Yeah. 8-second diffs. And then he ordered this bolt, so we're waiting for that. And what else do we need to do? Put oil in it?
Yeah, I'll break it in.
So we're gonna put some oil in it and we're gonna do wheelies. Bye. All right, so we got the rear end all situated for now. So we're gonna be putting in these studs in the front. These are ARP long studs. We're gonna knock these out and see what happens. And then he's waiting for a couple of more parts for the rear. So once they come in, he's just gonna button that up. It's just some nuts and bolts, nothing crazy. Is the passenger rear all finished up?
Yep.
Yeah. So just the rear and then the passenger side. So pretty much they're all good. Just gotta tighten up some bolts. Go, go, go. Come on, NASCAR. Brian Hart Jr. Not as dramatic or exciting. Wow. Oh, and you don't even have anything in the back. So I'm thinking, nah, let's get this off.
Rotor?
Yeah, so we can actually see back there. Will Wanda. I got it. Oh, these are actually really light.
Yeah. Stay or?
Yeah, it's there.
Okay.
Shit.
Yeah, I haven't taken these off since I put them on.
Okay. These are on there, all right. Wow, you really haven't taken these off. I think it's moving. No one gets good. What?
They hit that side. In here.
trying to see. Ooh, that's hot. All right, let's see what we got. Yeah, I don't think there is a spot. I think that whole hub has to be removed. I don't see any spot. Well, all that banging, we can't get the rotor off still, so we don't want to damage it, so we're just going to leave it. We're going to take the bracket off because back here, wherever his hand is, right behind his hand basically is where we can pop the studs out and get those new ones installed. Well, we tried. The new studs, the back of it, where the knurlings are too big for the hole. We were going to drill it out, which would work, but we can't get the rotor off and we don't want to damage the rotor. So we just pop those studs back in. We're going to put the wheel back on, call it a day, and make that a project for another time. How you doing over there?
Okay.
That's it, just okay? You're not happy you're putting your Willwoods back on?
You're happier I have ARPs in it.
Yeah. I got ARPs in mine, just not in the back. I don't know what I'm going to do about my back bearings.
You're gonna have to just cut those axles out at some point.
Yeah. Just going to send it, boys. We're just going to send it. Yeah, I'm videoing you. The world to see.
Okay. I guess I'll put the new lug nuts on.
Yeah, let's see them. With them new lug nuts. Get over here. We got to do an unboxing. Oh. Take one out. We got to show it off. Not a sponsored video. Ooh. Shiny. All right, put them on. Hurry up. Be right back.
Probably gonna be jacked it up, right?
Well, I don't think we jacked it down. I don't think you can jack it down. I think you let it down.
Let's see if these are the right ones.
Shit. Wow.
Definitely race car.
Definitely. Now it's official. Burnout Central. Here we come. Just left Brian's house. Didn't really get anything done. I was mainly going over there to double check the axles, make sure that they were in all the way. And from my experience, they definitely look like they're in all the way, but he's just gonna double check. So we took pictures of them and we're gonna send them out to the drive shaft shop who supplies those axles, and also the guy that built the rear diff on the car as well, and just kind of confirm that that's what it's supposed to be. He's got some nuts and bolts coming for the control arms and the front hubs. I have no idea what we're gonna do, but I think he's just gonna order new hubs and we're gonna drill them out and put those bigger studs in there. And once the bigger studs are in there, that's pretty much it. But not this weekend. Next weekend, we're going to be in Calverton, Long Island, which is like 30 minutes from me, thank God. And we're going to, he's gonna be, I think it's more like a test and tune. It might be an event, but it's Long Island needs a drag strip. I know there's some people who watch my videos who have heard of them, so we're gonna be there. And I'm gonna be talking to drivers. I'm gonna be with Brian. He's gonna be going down the track a few times. His car is literally, right now, could run sevens and not brake, but he just doesn't have enough power to run sevens. But he put a lot of money into that rear. He's got a PPG trans. He's got the full kit and caboodle in that car. So we're gonna see what happens, man. I think he's gonna go really fast. I think his 60 foot has got to be at least a 1.3, a 1.2 by now with this setup. And we're gonna take it from there. So hope you enjoyed this pointless video. I know I was talking, so you got a little bit of information. We were just kind of messing around, so whatever. Till next time, deuces.